Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna be doing the look that I'm wearing right now. It's like a pink cut crease. I don't know, I was feeling pink today, so I did a pink cut crease, pink lid, pink lips, even pink highlight if you can tell. I was just feeling that today, so I hope you guys really like this video. I also want to know what kind of videos you guys want to watch, so just let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright guys, so I already did one eye off camera. I already did my brows, and I'll list all the products I use down below. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain and my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Okay guys, so for this look I'm going to use the Morphe James Charles palette, and the first shade I'm going to take is this shade right here called Benny. And I'm going to take that on the e.l.f. small angled brush. And the first thing I'm doing is just outlining where I'm going to do the cut crease. The next shade I'm taking is this shade right here called Boutique. And I'm going to just take that on the e.l.f. contour brush. And I'm going to just start diffusing the brown color I just put down. Next, I'm going to take these two colors right here. I'm going to take Mary and Pinkity Drinkity and just mix them together. And I'm going to take that on an e.l.f. 205 brush. Before I cut my crease, I am going to clean up my eyelid using a Q-tip and the Garnier SkinActive Micellar cleansing water. Okay, now using the same LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain, I'm going to start cutting my crease using the Sony Cash number 110 brush. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm going to just take that on the Bodyography Pro flat shader brush and just start packing that on the lid. By the way, I know I go too far right here, but I usually like to clean this up. I'm going to clean this up right now anyways. Okay, now I'm going to just clean up this edge using the same micellar cleansing water and a cotton swab. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black and just make a wing. Okay, now to move on to my face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in Universal Sheer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundations in Amber, Beige, and Cocoa. And I'm going to just blend that out using my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Tan Sand. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring stick in Wear's Walnut. Okay, now to set my whole face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder in Clear. And like I mentioned in the previous video, I don't know what I know it's a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a name or number. I got this in the set, but I'm just using a big like powder brush to set my face. I don't usually set my whole face, but when I'm using a primer that's not like a mattifying, I feel like I have to, because then I get really oily throughout the day. But if I use like the Wet n Wild Photofocus mattifying primer, the one I've used in like previous videos. That one I don't feel the need to set my face. Like sometimes I still do, but I don't feel like I have to. But with something like the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer, it doesn't claim to be mattifying, so it's fine. But I do have to set my face with it. Okay, to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna use the Luxie 221T brush and the shade Boutique. And I'm just gonna put that in the lower lash line. I feel like I wanna darken up the outer lower lash line. I'm gonna just use the same brush and the shade Benny. Now for mascara, I'm gonna use the NYX On The Rise Volume Liftscara. By the way, I don't know if you watched my last two videos, but I did forget to put mascara, and it sucks because I filmed 2 videos that day, and in both videos I was without mascara. And like watching it back when I didn't even notice the first couple of times, like while I was editing. I noticed it at the end when I was reviewing it, like for the last time after I've done everything. I was rewatching it to make sure I didn't miss anything, and that's when I noticed. I didn't even notice right away. By the way, I am back in my old filming spot, but let me know if you do like this one better or the other spot, because I know right here I work with natural lighting, and as you saw, like the lighting changed because it's like kind of cloudy today. So let me know if you like this spot better or the other filming area. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I'm gonna take this shade right here called Ring Light, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blending brush. And to highlight the inner corner, I'm gonna use the same shade, but I'm gonna switch to the Crown Pro C513 brush. I'm gonna also use that same shade to highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow. To finish off my face, I'm gonna use the Megaglo Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette in Caramel Toffee and my Royal Magnico Moda Pro pointed blush brush. And I'm gonna just contour my face a little bit more. For blush, I'm gonna use my Milani powder blush in Coral Cove and my Luxie 640 Pro Position tapered brush. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost in Frozen Peach. I'm just gonna put a little bit over my nose where I put the other highlight. And just a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Okay, lastly I'm gonna do my lipstick. I'm debating which one. So this one's the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Thursday. And I also have the Ofra lipstick. I'm not even sure what shade this is in. I got this in a BoxyCharm and it didn't come with the sticker. So I don't know what shade this is in, so I'm sorry. But I'm really debating on which one. I think I'll put the Ofra one. I'm sorry, if I could try to figure out the name, I'll put it down below. I'll list the products down below, but I don't remember the name and I don't know the name and it doesn't have the sticker on it, so I don't really know. Okay, to set my face, I'm gonna use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. I definitely want to post a lot more this year and post content that you guys want to watch. So let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Ask me questions. I would love to answer your questions in my videos as well. So just leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video if you did, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. That way you get notification every time that I post. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.